Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can make the difference between a product that flops and a product that flies off the shelves. So, have you ever wondered why so many new products fail? A huge reason is that companies build what they think customers want, not what they actually want. This leads to endless rework, skyrocketing costs, and ultimately, a product that misses the mark entirely. But what if there was a structured way to listen to your customers and translate their needs directly into your design? Well, there is. It's called Quality Function Deployment, or QFD, for short. Now, that might sound a bit technical, but the core idea is simple and incredibly effective. QFD is a systematic process that takes the voice of the customer, all their wants, needs, and complaints, and transforms it into clear, actionable, technical requirements for your engineering and design teams. It acts as a bridge, ensuring that the customer's voice is the foundation for every single decision made during the development process. It's about moving from guesswork to a data-driven strategy. At the very heart of the QFD process is a diagram called the House of Quality. It looks a bit like a house with a roof, and it's this visual framework that helps us organize all the critical information. It's a master document that guides the entire team, from marketing to engineering, keeping everyone aligned with the same goal, delivering what the customer truly values. This house is where we build the connection between customer desires and our technical solutions. Let's walk through how to build it, step by step. The first step, the foundation of our house, is to capture the what's. The WHATs is simply what the customer wants from a product or service. This is the most crucial phase, because if you get this wrong, everything that follows will be flawed. You gathered this information through interviews, surveys, focus groups, and even by analyzing customer reviews. You're listening for needs like better performance, higher reliability, ease of use, or a more modern design. These are the benefits and features that your customers are explicitly asking for. We list these needs down the left side of our House of Quality. Once we have our list of what's, we need to know which ones are most important. Not all customer needs are created equal. This brings us to step 2, determining customer importance ratings. We go back to the customer and ask them to rate each need, typically on a scale from 1 to 5, where 5 is very important and 1 is not so important. This step is critical because it forces prioritization. It tells your team where to focus their energy. A feature that customers rate as a 5 deserves far more attention and resources than one they rate as a 1. This prevents teams from wasting time on features that don't actually drive customer satisfaction. Now that we know what the customer wants and how important each need is, it's time to figure out how we're going to deliver it. This is the third step, where we define the technical requirements. The hows are the measurable engineering characteristics of the product. For example, if a customer WHAT is the phone battery must last all day, the corresponding how could be a battery capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours. If they want a fast camera, the how might be shutter speed less than 0.1 seconds. These are the technical levers your engineers can pull to meet the customer's needs. We list these across the top of our House of Quality. This is where we connect the customer needs to our technical requirements. For each pair of what's and how's, we ask, how strong is the relationship? We typically use a scoring system, like 9 for a strong relationship, 3 for a medium one, and 1 for a weak one. For instance, battery capacity has a strong relationship with battery lasts all day, so it gets a 9. This matrix visually shows us which technical requirements have the biggest impact on satisfying the most important customer needs. It's where the strategic insights really start to emerge. Finally, by completing the House of Quality, we get a clear, strategic roadmap. The analysis reveals which technical requirements are the most critical for achieving customer satisfaction. It shows you where to focus your resources, your time, and your budget to get the biggest bang for your buck. This data-driven approach leads to better designs, a massive reduction in late-stage engineering changes, and products that truly resonate with the market. QFD doesn't make decisions for you, but it gives you the right information to make the best decisions. It ensures that listening to the customer isn't just a hopeful idea, it is a core part of your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. on building better products. See you next time.